Just removed my transmission mount off of a '06 Mitsubishi Eclipse GT 6-speed manual. There's the old one. Here's the old bushing, completely shot out. To remove that, I use this old CV axle joint. Use this bad boy to remove it with the bench press, little shot press, to be exact. I bought this, supposed to fit a 3rd gen only, but apparently it also fits the Mitsubishi Eclipse GT, only the manual. They said only the 6-speed manual was the only one that actually fitted. Well, on the mount there's this outer ring. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's this little ring on the outside. Come on, camera. But yeah. Anyways, I thought I was supposed to remove that also, but before I even touched it, I wanted to see if this will fit on here, just as is. And I can actually press it in with my hand. It's pretty cool. See, now it's in there. Now I just need to do the same for the other side. And that's it.